Hello and welcome to Lunch and Learn Fridays. This is Jacqueline Houghton from Digital Dames, and today we're going to talk a little bit about why Apple Search Ads is the most return on ad spend efficient user acquisition channel. So, if you have an iOS application and you're advertising for it, you might be wondering, where are my marketing dollars best spent? Should I be spending on Apple Ads, on Google, on Facebook? Where is my money best spent? So in our experience, we have a lot of iOS clients. We think that Apple Search is the first platform that you should focus on. Here's some stats I wanted to share with you. So the average conversion rate is 49.7%. On Apple, it's almost 5 times higher than the closest competitor, Facebook, which has an average conversion rate of 9.2%. The average tap-through rate on Apple Search Ads is 6%. Facebook newsfeed is only 1.4%, and Google Search is 2.7%. And on average, the cost per tap on Apple Search is 95 cents. It's a little bit more expensive than Google Display Work at 63 cents, but cheaper than Facebook ads at $1.72. But please keep in mind that, these costs differ by category and industry. These are like total averages across the board. Also, one thing to keep in mind is that at first glance, Apple Search may be seen more expensive, but you want to consider these things. So Apple brings a really high lifetime value for your users, more so than other networks. And one of the reasons is because it's motivated traffic. Just like in Google Search Ads, you catch users lower in your acquisition funnel. So they're ready to get your app then and there. They're searching for that particular thing on that network. So they want to download an app that is a solution to what they're looking for. It also puts your app on number 1 in search. So the most valuable real estate in the App Store, giving you a great position among your competitors. You can also leverage creatives. So different screenshots or autoplay app preview videos right inside of your banner ad. This helps to increase your conversion rate and overall ad performance. And also App Search Ads is the advanced version, is created for App Store experts, people who know how to deal with paid inventory and maximize performance with the right mixture of ad account structure, performant keywords, and automation. So the key takeaways if you're advertising an iOS app. Number 1, you should be optimizing your budget first on the Apple Ad Store. Number 2, you need to have an attribution model in place that allows you to tie your downloads and in-app purchases down to the specific keyword for best optimization. So off the bat, when you're just using Apple Ads, you're not going to be able to see that information. There are different systems out there that allow you to do this. It's really important that you put it into place. It does require a little bit of code to be added to your application, tracking code to tie into the tracking system. But this is really pertinent in you being able to have complete transparency to understand where your marketing dollars are really going. We've seen a lot of companies spending tons of money on keywords that were getting a bunch of conversions. They were getting a lot of free downloads, but they weren't actually converting all the way down to the end. And after we had helped that company get this attribution modeling system into place, they ended up saving a lot of money. So just something to keep in mind. After you've reached the threshold limits in the App Store, that's the point at which when you should start investing in other paid advertising networks. So, there's going to be a limit to how much ad spend you can spend in the App Store, depending on how many people are searching for those specific phrases. Once you've optimized everything and you've hit that threshold and you have enough money to spend, more budget on advertising, that's when you should redistribute that to other networks. That's a recommendation. And make sure that you have that right analytic strategy in place to measure everything so that you have complete transparency on what ads, keywords, and campaigns are yielding your actual sales, not just your downloads throughout, your entire omni-channel marketing ecosystem. So as always, if you are a Digital Dames subscriber and you want to chat about your business, we are here available to provide free consulting for 15 minutes. So give us a shout. Thanks so much. Have a great day.